I think even if we weren't heading up to North Wales, we'd probably be looking at a north anyway, just to refresh. The village, when we bought there, had 3 pubs, 4 pubs. Now got 1. Once upon a time, they all served food and everything. That's the one.